Hello and welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 AGRIC Science Objective Part Question 37. If 30 eggs make up a crate of eggs, how many eggs are in 2 packs, assuming a pack contains 10 crates of eggs? A. 200 eggs, B. 300 eggs, C. 400 eggs, D. 600 eggs. So we are giving some information here. We said we are to assume hypothetically that 1 crate of eggs hypothetically contains 30 eggs. So 1 crate equal to 30 eggs. And we are asked how many eggs are in 2 packs, assuming that 1 pack contains 10 crates of eggs. So we have to find the number of eggs in 2 packs of eggs. Now, we have been told that 1 crate contains 30 eggs. So first we'll get how many eggs are contained in 10 crates. So if you have 1 crate containing 30 eggs, 10 crates will contain how many eggs? So if you cross multiply that, okay, 10 multiplied by 30 is equal to 300 eggs. So 10 crates of eggs will contain 300 eggs based on the values that have been given to us. Now, since we know the number of eggs now in 10 crates, we're asked how many eggs do you have in 2 packs. Now, 1 pack contains of eggs. You have 20 crates. Okay, so if you have 300 eggs in 10 crates, how many eggs will you have in 20 crates? Okay, so that will be 300 times 20 divided by 10. 300 times 20 divided by 10, and if you do this, you get 600 eggs. So option D, 600 eggs. 600 eggs is the number of eggs you have in 2 packs using the data given to us. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.